Right, so I'm going to show you how to replace your filter box with a panel filter with a cone filter on the Astra 1.6 SXI. These come in with a built-in cold feed already, so we're going to keep the bottom box, remove the top, remove this pipe, and that's it pretty much. I'll get straight to it. Okay, so you need a T20 screwdriver bit. I've got it on a little mini cordless drill. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws, which we're going to undo. Right, okay, so now we've unscrewed these bolts with a T20. We've got these clamps here, just here in here, which we're going to take off with a 7mm screwdriver bit. So yeah, get to it. Okay, so now these are loosened up. We're going to pull this pipe off here so we can pull this box out. It usually gets caught on this here, so you're going to have to pull it that way a little bit and then pull this clamp off as well. Okay, so now you've got your panel filter. You can remove that just by lifting it up. It reveals the bottom. Here's your MAF, which is 60mm. So you want a 60mm cone filter. Any 60mm cone filter will fit on this. Right, so we've got the pipercross cone filter. Now this is 60mm. It is hard to push it on to the cone, to the MAF itself. So you can unhook it just by pushing the bottom lever and pulling it out. Undo this and then the MAF will come off. Again, when you're assembling it back together, make sure that's put in that direction. Okay, so I'm going to remove the box just to get a bit more free flow, get some more air. We're going to keep the cold air feed on there as possible. So literally you just want to pull this here, that comes off, and then I'll show you how the box comes out. T30 piece, bolt just here, unscrew. Okay, so I've took the MAF off. I've gone and pushed this onto the MAF. It's just easier to get it on. 60mm does fit, so any 60mm you can get would be handy. So yeah, I'm now going to put it back on. So I'm going to go in and connect this back up, plug in the MAF, and then see how it looks. Right, so we've installed the cone filter, took the box out, reconnected the MAF and tightened these clamps up, and it's all looking fine. The cold air feed's still in here. In future we're going to get a extension, just a 60mm pipe, straight pipe, to bring it over this way a little bit more. So it's just a temporary solution for now, but that is pretty much how you fit a aftermarket filter on an Astra 1.6 SXI. So like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. See you in the next one.